In this video, I wanted to go through the SCAD team library. The one thing about this add-on is it works in most CAD applications that support Lisp. Lisp is an AutoCAD language, which you can load via the app load command. So here's how that works. So the first thing you're going to do after you load the application is type in AP for app load, and then add the file from the SCAD folder called SCAD AutoLISP. So this is the one you want here. So from here, we can go into the startup suite and then add this same Lisp file. So from the pull down here, you want to select the Lisp application and then select SCAD Lisp again. So what this does is it loads the library each time you to open up the browser. Just type in SCAD, enter, and then we're ready to start drawing. Now here we've got our Y32 and our IEC, Y32 being the imperial, the IEC being the metric. So we're going to go ahead and double click on this library. And from here we have a series of folders which can be expanded even further. We're going to go ahead and start with the relay. So we'll double click this. Now notice that this symbol here has a yellow highlight around it. And this basically is telling us this is the active symbol. We can go ahead and choose Open Insert, and then we can insert it. Now, I don't have my snaps turned on, so I'm going to go ahead and do a F9. That's going to turn on my 1/4 inch snaps. So recommended to usually work with snaps when you're inputting electrical like this. So let's left click, and then we're going to rotate this around like this and come down 2 spaces here. And we're going to select the normally open contact here. Choose insert, and then we'll come up here and then over, let's say a couple of snaps over, and we'll put the contact in like this. Now in the menu, we have the home button up here, which sends us back to the very beginning menu, or we can step back. So we can step back a folder and then come down and select our switches, push buttons menu, for example. So we'll double click on this. And again, that opens up another level. And from here, we can choose this first one here, normally open. And then we'll go ahead and put that in right here. We have a normally closed here. You can see as I'm clicking these, it's changing the position of this list here. And another way of inserting the symbol is once you've got it selected on the list, just to press enter and then put the symbol in. Let me zoom up a little bit here and then close. So one thing I wanted to mention is if you do go back into the browser, let's just type in SCAD. It's going to remember the last folder you were in plus the last symbol that you selected. Another feature is if you put a symbol in and you don't want that symbol, you can undo that and then select another one from the menu. So let's go ahead and connect these together. I'm going to go ahead and turn off my snap temporarily. That's F9. And then I'm going to snap to the endpoint here and just put in the neutral line here and then connect everything together. Put another one up here. Notice I have the quadrant snap turned on. So in your snap settings, make sure you have the endpoint, perpendicular, quadrant, and at midpoint. Along with entity snap tracking is recommended. So let's go ahead and put the live feed in here. Then we'll connect these together here. So I'm using the object snap tracking here for that. Let's just go ahead and mirror this down this way. And now let's go back into the menu again. Let's go back one level actually 2 levels, and then go into the connectors and terminals. And then from here, we can select the terminal small. We'll go ahead and insert this. And we'll close. And now let's go ahead and just copy this around. So we got the copy, and then type in L for last. That's the last thing inserted. And then we'll just simply go around and copy this, highlight the connections. Got this one all the way at the top up here. So that's essentially how you use the library. We also have a pneumatic and hydraulic library to go with this if you want everything together. Libraries are priced to be very affordable. We also offer individual, multiple, or site-wide licenses. When you purchase the library, you'll be sent an immediate download so you can start working right away. And if you have any questions, you can always call us at 877-933-3929. Have a great day.